All right, so this is our good friend Jeff here. Jeff is a patient of ours, and he has been dealing with plantar fasciitis, among other things. We'll get to the other things in just a minute. But tell us right now just a little bit about the plantar fasciitis, what's been going on there.
So it started about a year ago.
Okay.
I started to feel pain in my heel anytime that I would stand walking. It would really come into effect when I would stop for a couple of hours.
So right now it's hurting?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
And then it's just slowly gotten worse. And I probably spent in the neighborhood of, I don't know, a couple $1,000 worth of shoes.
Okay.
I'm on my feet a lot, being
Sure.
I'm always working. And so buying another $500 pair of boots. It's not the boots.
Sure.
Go and get another pair.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then something else. And keep trying all these orthotics, these insole things. And nothing worked. So finally I go to a doc about 6 months ago, and he's like, oh yeah, did the x-rays, plantar fasciitis. And that's that.
Okay. So the question is, it hurts right now. Does it hurt to walk?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Absolutely.
All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to do one treatment with the FX405, and then we're going to check back with Jeff and see how it improves. All right, we're just about done working with Jeff here. We have her stand up in just a second. All right. All finished up there. So, go and stand up, walk around. Just kind of walk back and forth there. Tell us how that feels.
Oh, no way.
Big difference?
That's huge. That's insane.
That's pretty crazy, huh?
That should really hurt. It's at least 70% gone.
That's
There's
amazing.
A little soreness, but not
like it was.
No, not like it was at all.
That's crazy.
Okay, that's
So
that's really that's real surprising. I'm not expecting to.